As a homeowner in Washington, you're no stranger to the variety of weather conditions the region experiences. From heavy rain and windstorms in the winter to the occasional hail or even wildfires in the summer, the climate can pose significant challenges to your home's integrity. Among the most vulnerable areas of your home are your windows. Unfortunately, traditional windows often aren't built to withstand the harsh weather that Washington homeowners face. That's why more and more homeowners are opting for impact-resistant replacement windows. These windows offer a multitude of benefits that not only protect your home but also provide long-term value. Here's why impact-resistant windows are becoming the go-to choice for Washington homeowners. Enhanced protection against severe weather. Washington is known for its stormy winters and unpredictable weather. From powerful wind gusts to hailstorms and torrential rain, these weather events can wreak havoc on your windows. Standard windows can easily crack or shatter under the force of high winds, hail, or debris carried by storms. Impact-resistant windows are designed to endure these conditions. Made with laminated glass and reinforced frames, these windows are incredibly durable and can withstand the force of storms, including hail, high winds, and flying debris. This added strength ensures that your windows won't break during severe weather, preventing water damage, structural damage, and the potential for injury caused by broken glass. By opting for impact-resistant replacement windows, Washington homeowners can safeguard their homes from unpredictable storms, ensuring that their property remains secure year-round. Protection from debris and flying objects. In addition to weather-related issues, flying debris is a common concern during storms, especially in areas with frequent wind gusts or hurricanes. In Washington, where trees and branches are abundant, windstorms can send debris crashing into your windows. Even small objects, such as rocks or branches, can cause significant damage to traditional glass. Impact-resistant windows are built to handle flying debris without shattering. These windows are made with layers of tough glass that are designed to absorb impact and prevent breakage. Even if a branch or rock hits the window, the laminated glass won't shatter, preventing dangerous shards from entering your home and allowing you to avoid costly repairs. This makes impact-resistant windows an excellent choice for homeowners concerned about debris damage during storms. Increased security and intruder deterrence. While the primary concern for Washington homeowners may be the weather, security is another major consideration when choosing replacement windows. Traditional windows are often the weakest entry point for burglars, who can easily break the glass to gain access to your home. Impact-resistant windows offer enhanced security features that make it much harder for burglars to break into your home. The layers of laminated glass used in impact-resistant windows are much tougher than standard glass, making it difficult to break through. Even if an intruder attempts to break the window, the glass will remain intact, making it much harder to gain access. In fact, many impact-resistant windows are designed to meet the force requirements of security standards, which means they provide a much higher level of protection than standard windows. Improved energy efficiency. In addition to their durability, impact-resistant windows also offer significant benefits when it comes to energy efficiency. The laminated glass used in these windows helps to create a barrier that improves your home's insulation. This means that the heat from the summer won't enter your home, and the warmth from your heating system in the winter won't escape, helping to maintain a more consistent temperature throughout the year. In Washington, where homeowners can experience both cold winters and warm summers, the energy efficiency of your windows is crucial. Impact-resistant windows are typically equipped with low-E coatings, which reflect heat and UV rays, further enhancing their energy efficiency. With proper installation, these windows can reduce your energy bills by helping to keep your home comfortable year-round, while also protecting it from the harsh outside conditions. Noise reduction. Washington is home to many urban areas and neighborhoods that can experience high levels of noise, whether from traffic, nearby businesses, or even local events. Noise can be disruptive to your peace and quiet, especially if you live in a bustling area or near highways. Impact-resistant windows provide an additional benefit of soundproofing. The laminated glass used in these windows acts as a barrier that reduces the amount of external noise entering your home. If you live in a noisy area, impact-resistant windows can make your home a much quieter and more peaceful place to relax, work, or sleep. This added comfort is an often overlooked benefit that many homeowners appreciate once they make the switch. Long-term investment and value. Although impact-resistant replacement windows can come with a higher upfront cost compared to traditional windows, they offer excellent value in the long run. The durability, enhanced security, energy efficiency, and noise reduction benefits make them a wise investment for Washington homeowners. Because they are built to last, these windows will save you money over time by reducing the need for costly repairs due to storm damage, increasing energy efficiency to lower utility bills, and enhancing security to avoid break-ins. Additionally, homes with impact-resistant windows tend to have higher resale value, as they provide added protection and appeal to potential buyers. Final thoughts for homeowners in Washington. Upgrading to impact-resistant replacement windows is a smart choice that offers significant benefits. Not only do these windows enhance your home's protection against severe weather and flying debris, but they also improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, and increase security. With all of these advantages, it's no wonder that more and more homeowners are making the switch. If you're looking to protect your home, save on energy bills, and enjoy long-term peace of mind, investing in impact-resistant windows is a decision you won't regret.